Each year, the South Wales area of the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club organises a members-only run from Chepstow on the England-Wales border up to Aberdyfi on the Welsh west coast. The route covers some of the best driving roads in South Wales and is considered a bucket list day out by many club members. The run has been organised since the early 2000s and attracts members from all over the UK and even as far afield as mainland Europe. It's now a very popular event with over 100 cars leaving Chepstow each year. Many of the participants are local to the route, but those from further afield stop in local Chepstow B&Bs or take advantage of a local member's field to camp in. There's also a varied approach to how participants experience the route. Most people leave from Chepstow, but a few join mid-route and some come from North Wales and meet in Aberdyfi. Once fish and chips have been consumed, most head home. Some stay overnight and some retrace their steps back to Chepstow and meet up in the Piercefield pub at the end of a round-trip day. A great deal of work goes into organising the event, and the organisers work throughout the year with local authorities, the police, the Piercefield pub, the fish and chip shop and Motorsport UK to make sure the event is successful. They also check the route a few weeks before the event and make sure the fish and chip shop knows exactly what's going to hit them on event day. Participants assemble at the Piercefield pub outside of Chepstow, where the event organiser gives a briefing.
Okay, welcome to everybody. First of all, I just need to say that everybody needs to sign on inside the door there, and they can pick up a copy of the route book. So it is a requirement of the club that you need to sign on and put your name and details down there. The route, you've got a route book for that. The route is pretty much identical to previous years. We expect there to be quite a lot of speed cameras around Wales generally, so please be aware of that, observe the speed limits. When we set you off, we're going to try and set people off in groups of no more than 4 or 5 cars at a time, just because we want you to enjoy yourselves and we don't want like a big snake of cars across Wales today. We want you just to have a lovely day out, but we'll just try and get people out in little groups and give them 30 seconds a minute between them. As some of you will know, the Lotus 7 Club's charity is prostate cancer research, and we're collecting money for that at the moment. So you'll have seen when you signed on, there's a bucket there to collect. There's also a QR code if you want to donate, electronically, and there are also wristbands there that you can get for your donations. So please kind of give what you can. And the last thing is really just to say we want people to see us and smile at us and not growl at us. There's going to be a lot of people out today doing staycations and just pottering around in the sunshine. Give them a bit of space. Let them make sure that when they see you, they smile at you. So please have a good day and be really safe out there. And enjoy Wales. you.